Hey students, today you're going to be taking an assessment. Unit 5, Assessment 2 is what you're going to be taking today. And the standards that we have been studying over the last few weeks are listed here. It's all about fractions, explaining why a fraction is equivalent to another fraction, also comparing fractions. So those are the big takeaways from the two standards that we've been working on for the last few weeks. Our essential questions: why might it be important to understand equivalence, and why is unit size important in mathematics? We have also been building to answer those questions throughout this entire unit. Now, I've included on these slides some online tools for you to be able to use that we've been practicing with throughout this unit. And here we have a fraction bar online tool that you click on, you can bring up in a different one tab on your computer, and also here's the number line one that you can click on. So we've been practicing with both of these all in the last few weeks throughout our fractions. I've also included a couple of short videos here, help videos that we have also been using throughout our unit. And this one, if you need just basically help with a Jamboard, and here if you need help with models, that'll be the fraction bar models or the number line or the area model. And here are a couple other videos. Now you get a chance to choose. If you need help with any of these options are just here for you to kind of look at, go back and do your review. All right. And once you finish kind of looking at what you need to, guys, our assessment is going to be on SchoolNet, and we've been taking our assessments, math assessments on SchoolNet throughout the school year. So nothing has changed with that, but if you do forget, here's a little short video that you can click on that can remind you how to get on SchoolNet. And as usual, whenever we take a SchoolNet, there is an online passcode. And today's online passcode is going to be February 25. Now keep in mind, these letters are all capital letters, FEBRUARY25. You got to make sure that these are capital when you put it in, otherwise it's not going to work. And you got to make sure that the 25 is right after the Y, and that there are no spaces, because if you have a space in there, it's also not going to work. So make sure it looks exactly like it is right here. And as a reminder, as you solve the problems on the SchoolNet test, you're going to work them in your notebook. So solve the problems in your notebook, and also you're going to need to take a picture of your notebook, the work that you've done throughout the test in your notebook. Insert a picture of your work on the slides that are coming up. So I've got a slide right here, and I've got a few. You may not need all of them, but these are slides available for you to put pictures of your work. And I've also included a multiplication table here for you, just as a resource. And our last slide is just a reminder for you to work on Dreambox. This is after you complete the assessment, you're going to work on Dreambox. And our goal each week is to make sure we have at least 5 lessons completed in Dreambox, at least 5 lessons completed on Dreambox. And also complete any unfinished work.